Good morning, everyone. I appreciate your punctuality. It shows commitment. We'll focus on our export plan, Malaysia and Singapore. We'll discuss four main area: production readiness, marketing strategy, logistic coordination, and financiation. Our goal today is simple. By the end of this meeting, we should have a clear timeline, responsibilities, and next step for the export pace. Let's start with production. Kalisha, how's our factory doing right now?
Good morning, Vero. The factory in good shape. We can produce 5,000 units per month without affecting local order. We upgrade to machine last month, so our output speed increased by about 15%. Quality control has also improved lower than 2% of product filed inspection.
Excellent. What's about material sourcing?
All material are secure. Our supplier confirmed availability for 3 months ahead. They also offer a 5% discount if we confirm the purchase order this week.
Good. Let's not miss that opportunity. And packaging. We had issue with labeling before. Are we complain now?
Yes, all packaging now includes English product information, barcode, and export labeling. We've done a drop test for durability is past international shipping standards.
Perfect. That's progress. We need packaging that not only looks but also protects the product and promotes our image. Before we move on, how soon can production begin?
If approved today, we can start on Monday. The first export batch can be ready in 10 working days.
Excellent timeline. Alright, let's move to marketing. Grace, how do we plan to introduce our brand overseas?
Well, as Instagram, TikTok, and influencer for promotion.
Good. Short and focus. Our digital presence is crucial. Make sure the visual match our export packaging design. You'll coordinate with Kali later about that. Now, Angi, logistic is key for export success. What option do we have?
We have two main shipping methods, air freight and sea freight. Air freight is faster, around 3 to 5 days, about $5 per kilogram. Sea freight is lower, about 10 to 14 days, but only $1.5 per kilogram.
Okay, so what do you recommend?
A hybrid strategy. Send the first shipment by air to meet launch deadline, then switch to sea freight for regular supply. That's why we balance cost and speed.
I like that. What about carriers?
I've contacted two. Asia Cargo Lines, more expensive, but offers door-to-door service and custom handling. Ocean Star Logistics, cheaper, but we manage custom ourselves. There's also a small issue, port congestion in Singapore. It might cost 2 to 3 days of delay.
That's common. Any backup plan?
Yes, rerouting to Port Klang, Malaysia as an alternative. It adds one more day, but it's more predictable. I prepare a detailed logistic timeline and share it by the end of the day.
Good. Include cost per batch and insurance option. Now, Dia, how do the numbers look?
Our budget estimate for the first export phase is $25,000. That includes production, shipping, marketing, and documentation phase. Cost.
Break it down for us briefly.
Sure. Production around 10,000 US dollar, logistic about 7,000 US dollar, marketing roughly 5,000 US dollar, documentation and permits 3,000 US dollar. If everything goes as planned, we should achieve a 15 to 18% profit margin within the first quarter.
That's healthy, but we should expect unexpected costs. What's our contingency plan?
We'll allocate 10% of the total budget as a buffer for exchange rate change or custom fees. That's around 2,500 US dollar in reserve.
Good move. We'll need that flexibility. Any updates on payment methods for our international clients?
Yes, we can open a multi-currency account in US dollars, Malaysian ringgit, and Singapore dollars. That save up to 3% on transfer fees. Also, our bank offers an export financing line with low interest if we expect later.
Excellent. Keep in touch with the bank for that. Now, I'd like everyone to coordinate closely. No delays between departments. Kalisha, make sure your packaging samples reach Grace by Thursday.
Not. We'll deliver the sample tomorrow morning, so she has time to prepare visual.
And please send me the final box dimension too. Karen needs that to calculate volume weight for freight charges.
Got it. I'll include the measurement in the packaging report.
I post the product trace as soon as I get the photo.
Perfect, Grace. Keep the tone consistent. Premium, local, and authentic. Anggi, how's custom documentation?
Already in progress. We need to prepare commercial invoice, packaging list, certificate of origin, and export declaration form. I handle that with Dia's team once the production quantity is finalized.
I'll have prepare invoice format and make sure our pricing is consistent. We'll double check tariff codes to get ASEAN tax benefit around 5 to 7% savings.
Good teamwork. I also want us to build relationship with freight forwarders in Malaysia, Singapore. Not just rely on one carrier. Anggi, maybe contact one in Penang and one in Johor Bahru.
Sure, I do that this week. Local agent can pick up custom clearance and warehouse handling.
Exactly. That's the kind of preparation we need. Now, back to production. Kalisa, any risks of delay once we start?
Not really. We have enough manpower and raw materials for the first 2 months. The only risk in material delivery timing, but suppliers are committed to on-time shipment.
Good. Keep a daily update for the first week of production.
Will do. I'll send progress reports every 3 days.
Perfect. Now, Dia. After you get Anggi's final logistic costs, how soon can we get the update financial plan?
Tomorrow morning, I'll send a RIS5 report with a cost breakdowns to everyone.
Excellent. Let's keep everyone aligned. Before we close, let's check action items. Grace, your talks.
Prepare Digital Connect for social media launch.
Good. Kalisha,
finalize production, schedule, and send packaging sample to Grace.
Nice. Anggi?
Finalize shipment plan, contact carrier, and share the logistic timeline.
Perfect. And Dia?
Update financial report, set up export account, and vary custom tariff.
Excellent. Everyone knows their time deadline. Let's recap our points. First, production is ready. First batch starts Monday. Second, marketing goes digital. Grace leads the campaign. Third, logistics use a hybrid method. Air first, sea later. Fourth, finance on track. Budget 25,000 US dollar. Profit margin 15 to 18%. We aim to finalize everything within 2 weeks. If we stay on schedule, our first shipment should leave by the end of next month. Thank you all for your focus and teamwork. Let's make this export project our company's next success story. Meeting adjourned.